how to treat urinary incontinence naturally. For anybody who has experienced urinary incontinence, it can be challenging to lead a healthy life. In this video, I will share certain things that you can do naturally to alleviate the lack of bladder control. Urinary incontinence can be a great inconvenience, but much more than that, it could keep you from doing even the most mundane things in life. While incontinence is mostly common among the elderly, it could happen to anybody for several different reasons, including childbirth, prostate issues, and other medical conditions. No matter the cause, however, there are things you can do to reverse urinary incontinence on your own without resorting to expensive and invasive surgery. If you have begun to have trouble controlling your bladder and involuntary urine flow is affecting the way you live, try combining pelvic floor exercises along with some of these natural remedies to your daily life. Pelvic floor exercises to treat incontinence. Pelvic floor exercises are also commonly referred to as Kegels. According to the National Association for Continence, the first and most crucial step in doing Kegels is identifying the pelvic floor muscles. The easiest way to do this is to try stopping the flow of your urine midstream. The muscles you activate to do that are the same muscles you need to exercise to treat urinary incontinence. Once you have identified your pelvic floor muscles, you can start your exercise routine. Every night, empty your bladder before you go to bed. When you lie down, take the time to relax your body and mind. Lie flat on your back with your arms at your sides. Then tighten your pelvic floor muscles and hold it as tightly as you can for 5 seconds. After you release the hold, rest for another 5 seconds before trying it again. Continue tightening and relaxing your pelvic floor until you have reached 10 counts. After 2 weeks or so into this routine, try gradually increasing the hold time until you reach a maximum of 10 seconds. Remember that your rest time should always be just as long as your hold. As your pelvic muscles become stronger, you can also do Kegels at other times of the day. But do not do more than 3 sets throughout the day, or you risk doing more harm. Natural remedies for bladder health. There are several natural remedies to address bladder health, but among those best supported by science are capsaicin and pumpkin seed oil. Capsaicin. Capsaicin is the compound responsible for the pungent and hot qualities of peppers. It has long been used to treat a variety of health conditions, including inflammatory diseases and obesity. But one of the lesser-known benefits is the field of urology. In 2000, the Journal of Endourology published a study on the effectiveness of using capsaicin to treat overactive bladders. Researchers found that its effects were comparable to anticholinergic drugs, but without the troublesome side effects. In the study, capsaicin was administered directly into the bladder using a catheter. Still, there's a good reason to believe that you might get the same therapeutic benefits by consuming capsaicin orally. Although you might benefit from adding more peppers to your diet, it would be a more efficient method to take it in a supplement form. Pumpkin seed oil. Pumpkin seeds have long been considered as a healthy, nutritious snack, but its oil has recently been recognized as a potent dietary supplement for bladder health. In 2014, researchers from Hokkaido, Japan, published a study that showed the positive effects of pumpkin seed oil consumption in minimizing urinary dysfunction. More specifically, the study aimed to treat overactive bladders. To gain these benefits for your incontinence, find pumpkin seed oil that is extracted from the Cucurbita maxima species. Then take 10 milligrams of the oil per day. You can take it straight or sprinkle it on your food. For as long as you do not expose it to heat and you consume it orally, the effect should be the same. These changes will not cure urinary incontinence overnight, but if you do your exercises every night before you sleep, and you have as much support from proven effective natural remedies, you should notice significant changes in as little as a week. Eventually, you will notice that you are able to regain full control over your bladder. following are references we use to create this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.